Good day to all. My name is Luisa Fernanda Perez. I am a psychology student and I am 24 years old. I am from the city of the open doors, Manizales in Caldas. Manizales is 1 hour from the Pereira city. I speak my native language, Spanish. It's the most difficult language. I like play guitar. And my favorite food is pizza because it has cheese. Additional, I am administrative assistant in the clinic Oncólogos del Occidente. On a typical day, I wake up 5 a.m. Then I take a shower and I have my breakfast. In the morning, I like fruits with juice and cheese. In other occasions, I drink coffee with bread. Then I wear my blue uniform and I go to the work. I start my work activities at 7 a.m. I take me 15 minutes to go to work. I go to the office by motorcycle. I have a meeting with my coworkers from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. After, I have my lunch at noon. I like eat chicken with honey and I go my coworkers because we speak about our life and laugh. I finish my work activities. Then I go to the home in my motorcycle. I eat dinner with my family. In the diner, we don't like heavy food. I like to take care of my family. I check my social networks from 6 p.m. to 6:13 p.m. After, I have virtual classes in UNAT from the 7 p.m. to 10:13 p.m. Then I brush my teeth and I go to the bed. I sleep at 11:13 p.m. Bye.